EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for March 9th, 2020. For your Monday, we're going to have another fantastic day. If you liked yesterday, you're really going to like today because it's going to be even warmer than it was yesterday, and we're expecting bright sunshine today and just maybe some clouds increasing later at night tonight. But we have a big high pressure sitting off the southeastern U.S. coastline in the summertime. This high in this position would get us into a heat wave. Very hot temperatures, but of course it's still in March, so early March at that. So we're looking at southwesterly wind flow today and temperatures that are going to be nearing the 70-degree mark in many central and southern locations, if not exceeding. Further to the north, you'll be in the mid to upper 60s. So still a very warm day regardless of where you are across the region today. And again, mostly sunny skies are expected. Now, as I move forward in time here, before I do that, I wanted to point out something. I told you the timestamp is now up in the upper right-hand corner of these images. If you're looking at the timestamp, this one here says 18Z. Now, we did change the clocks ahead this weekend, so 18Z is no longer 1 p.m. It is now 2 p.m. So we're subtracting 4 hours from what it's showing here. Of course, this is in 24-hour universal time, so 18Z would be 1400 or 2 p.m. Okay, so keep that in mind as I move forward in these images. So this is looking at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. High pressure anchored off the coast, and very warm temperatures today. Just a gorgeous day, and if you decided to take off today, God bless you, because that was a good move. So as we get into the overnight, we're going to have clouds that are going to increase most likely later at night. So the evening's going to start off very nice, and then we go into probably after midnight we start getting those clouds to increase. And then we have some showers along a cold front that's going to move through the region. And that's going to be coming in here mainly on Tuesday afternoon, but a few showers might sneak in during the morning. Okay, so it's going to be mainly Tuesday afternoon, just some light showers here that are going to go into the at least early to mid-evening hours. And then clouds will decrease later at night. So that's your cold front. But the cold front is not going to drop temperatures dramatically. It's still going to be relatively warm on actually into the 60s again on Tuesday. Not quite as warm as today with full sunshine, of course, but still very warm for this time of year here on Tuesday, even with those clouds and showers around. And then behind that, the temperatures are going to drop, but only back to the mid to upper 50s. So we're not getting a big cold push behind this cold front is what I'm trying to get at. We have this system here that's going to be making a run toward the region. And there could be an isolated shower with that. I think the majority of this goes south. GFS was still indicating this would come north over our region here. But if there is a shower, it would be favoring our southern areas, and that would be just overnight Wednesday night. It doesn't look like a big deal, okay? Before I get to that, I do want to show you here what it looks like on Tuesday. Again, this is 8 a.m. because it's 12Z, so 8 a.m. on Tuesday. Some light shower activity starting to make its way across the region, but it's just very hit or miss early on. Then when we get to the afternoon, we get a little bit more of a concentration of showers, but it's just still light moving through, and this will wrap up here during the course of the evening. This is looking at 8 p.m., and it's just about done. So that's your showers on Tuesday. So a few showers hanging around the morning, but more concentrated here in the afternoon and early evening before this pulls away. That's Tuesday's event. Now this here I'm talking about is Wednesday night. And it should move mostly to the south of the region. Can't rule out a stray shower here overnight on Wednesday night with that. Then we're back to partly cloudy skies here on Thursday. Temperatures getting back close to the 60-degree mark on either side of 60 degrees. So again, remaining warm through the end of the week. And here is a look at Friday. We'll have clouds increase on Thursday night. Again, just like Tuesday, with those, even with showers coming into the region, it's still going to be mild. Very similar temperatures to Tuesday, with temperatures in the 60s still. Okay, so we still have out ahead of this frontal boundary here on Friday. We still have a very similar wind condition here coming in from the southwest, so you have very mild temperatures here on Friday as well. So this could come in as early as Thursday night, late Thursday night as far as the showers go, especially in our western counties. And then these showers will rotate through during the course of the day on Friday and wrap up on Friday evening. And then the frontal boundary heads to our south, but kind of stalls to the south a little bit as another wave moves along that boundary, so it doesn't get too far to the south. And because of that, I think we're going to remain mainly dry here on Saturday as of right now. It's awfully close, though. That boundary's awfully close, so our southern areas could get into a few showers here on Saturday. Further north, even if you're not getting into the showers, you're most likely mostly cloudy on Saturday, but it will be cooler on the opposite side of the front because this frontal boundary coming through on Friday will have enough push behind it to get a little bit cooler for our northern areas. So when I say cooler, I'm talking about getting to near to slightly above average temperatures. This is not cold like getting back in the 30s again. We're talking about temperatures in the lower 50s for the most part. For the areas that are cooler, a little bit further south might be a little bit warmer than that just because you have these, you're closer to the boundary and the showers are in the vicinity. But then again, on Sunday, we return to partly cloudy skies. And again, temperatures will be in the upper 40s to lower 50s from north to south. So not too terribly cold. That's actually pretty close to normal for this time of year by the time we get to Sunday. It looks like a 2 or 3 day cooler trend, if you will, for that couple of days there for Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And then we turn warm again following next week. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchers. That is your outlook for March 9th, 2020. Have a great Monday.